In this lecture we will see how to add the seismic load definitions. Okay, so here the building height was 9 meter. Okay. If the building height was more than 10 meter, then we will also take the wind load, but for now we are only height was 9 meter, so we are going with seismic only. In another video, if you want to see how to apply the wind load in this type of structure, you can comment me, I will upload that video also. So for now it was in a 9 meter building, so we will only add seismic load. So go to seismic definitions, add the click on add button, select the IS code which we are on working, IS code 1893 and IS code, so we are going with this one. Okay, add the self weight also. I'm adding the self weight. Okay, wait, we have to generate it first. So in which city you are working, or if you know the zone, then you can also apply the zone also. Okay, I am going with third zone. I am in Varanasi. So response reduction factor. So which type of building you want to make? So I am going with only ordinary RC moment resisting frame. Okay, you can also go with special moment resisting frame. Oh, it's for the general building. That's why I am not going with RC moment. If it was coming in fourth or fifth zone, then I will take that is a special moment resisting frame. But for now, it was in only in third zone. That's why I am taking it as RC ordinary moment resisting frame. How your client you prefer, you can also go with that. So you can select also the special moment resisting frames. So it was a general building, not so important building. Important buildings like hospital, college, school. So it was that all was coming on important buildings. You can check ISA 1893 2016 15. Okay, that was the new updated one, but in this software it was not included. In next version, that is the Connect edition. Okay, that was also included. I will also show you on that also how to apply the loads using that code. So for now we are going with this only. So rock type I'm taking as a medium, and these are the RC frame building. So damping ratio will always take the 5%. Okay, foundation depth we don't have to prevent this because this value is going to calculate by itself. Okay, so click on generate. This value is generated and click on add button. Okay, so this value is generated. Take the load at self weight. I'm taking self weight is added. Okay, for now we are going on equivalent static method. Okay, I do have made the both video on equivalent and dynamic. When we have to take the equivalent static method and we take the dynamic method. Okay, it was in Hindi, you can check it out. If you also need that video English, I can upload it. You can comment on my video. Okay, for now we are going with member weight method. That's why. So self weight is added. Just close it. So here you can just copy the dead load to this. Okay, or you can add it by one by one. Okay, click in this, add it. Member weight. So I'm going with uniform. What dead load you have already added in this. Okay, you have to also apply in this value, but there is no minus sign as it was going to calculate the weight of the structure. So there will be no minus sign for that. Okay, and no direction and no global and local axis, nothing. Okay, just you have to give the value as is add. And another one is 8. You already seen this, so 8 we have taken the add. Okay, we have to also take the y range, that is the pressure. Okay, pressure of the see, not element weight plus the floor weight. Okay, we haven't taken any element, so pressure. Okay, so here we have applied the same that we are given. So don't take the minus sign, just take the value 5.125. Okay, so we have to assume all the dead load here what we have given here, just copy it, but you have to ignore the sign and axis. Okay, this is the, so you have to give the height to 12. Add. Okay, we have to add another one, that is the live load that we are given in this, but what you have to do is the live load for the roof was not applied, so you have to just give to the level below that. So I have applied the level, I've changed the level. Okay, you have to again assign this to the same member. Okay, or you can copy this from here also by going to start editor, just click on save. That was much more easier if you go with stat editor, because in large building loads maybe the number of loads will be more, so you can use this, so that can reduce your time and effort also. So here you have seen that value, member load, and just give me 1 second. This is the dead load. Okay, member load. So if you copy this value also, okay, just I'm going to copy it, ctrl c. Okay, this value why I'm not going, because I've already given that value by ignoring the minus and gy. Okay, so you, if you copying all the things, just delete the gy and minus sign. Okay, so I'm copied the member load, go to the same position that defined in is code where you have defined. So member weight, you have, this is the member weight. See, this is my, let's check what is going to come. Okay, I saved it. Oh, some error is coming. Wait, error define. Okay, okay, it is hanged right now. Just wait for a moment. Okay, so let's go to journal or load definition. What happened? We'll see there. Okay, another member is created. Okay, just delete this one. Okay, again go to the, I have deleted the member, so I can show you how it is applied from editor. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, some error has been occurred in my laptop, so it was not opening right now, but we can go from this also. Okay, in next lecture I will show you that how that was done, but for now we only go through the same method. So go for uniform and 15. Okay, add, and go for another one is 8. Okay, add, close. So you have to assign this value to members. Okay, right now it is working. So I'm selected all the outer one. Okay, so assign to selected beams. So this was assigned, and now we have to select the internal ones. See, this was a small building, that's why it was easy to just select one by one and assign to them. But in a large structure, so everyone would follow the editor only. Okay, that will be more easier to everyone. Okay, so next lecture I will show you how that was done. For now it was applied to the building. Okay, loads. Okay, see, it is applied. And go again to load cases and details. Okay, so every load that was coming in dead has been added here, and also the live load excluding the top floor load. Okay, the terrace load was not be included, and if the light load was more than 3 kilonewton, then some percentage will be decreased. Okay, if you study the IS code 1893, okay, then there you can find it. Okay, or if you don't it, I will make another video also, but I have already made that video in Hindi, you can check it out. So load is applied, just go to load cases and details again. Okay, define the combination seismic. So you are going with equivalent static meter for now, so just call a EQX positive X. Okay, add, and again for seismic EQX uh, positive Y. Okay, we are going in positive X and positive Y direction only. So in positive X again we are going to seismic loads X direction 1. We are not going to take any accidental torsion or moment. We are only going to take the factor 1. Okay, add and close. EQX EQY, again go to seismic load and EQY direction, positive direction, add close. So if you want how we take this value, then comment on my inbox, I will make that video also. So the both load has been applied here. See, that was already applied to the building. Okay, every load is applied, you can just go to analyze and check it. Okay, no print, add, just go for add print analysis, or no, add close. Okay, so go to analyze and run analysis. You can check there how load is applied. Okay, error is coming. Let's check the error, what error is coming. So this floor always you have seen here, just ignore the floor error, because floor I'm not going to calculate in STAAD PRO. We will calculate directly manually through Excel. So when it load cases, okay, so it was saying that I have defined that load of seismic below that, but according to STAAD PRO we have to define it first. After that any load will be defined. Okay, so we have to change the position for both. It was going to come first, after that dead load and lad will come. After that you will analyze and you will see that error will be removed. Okay, so in next lecture we will see how it was set and it was gone up, and using stat editor help, and how seismic weight has been copied from dead load to here by just help with the help of stat editor. Okay, thank you.